This is the department of things that make me happy.
We're still putting the finishing touches on the chalet so that I can show you those reveals.
We are this close, but look at this.
Done.
That's Steve the painter. Steve always wants it to be all about him. Steve, it's not about you right now. It's about the glass guys. Don't leave. You're not done. Come back.
But remember furniture delivery day?
So there's too much furniture. And what we now need is a whole other house because we have so much furniture here. Fortunately, I've bought another house.
Okay, so let me bring you up to speed on that.
We're in the midst of a potential real estate transaction. Friday, we saw the ranch, Bungalow. And Monday morning, we put in an offer. What do you think?
Like it so far. Nice sort of design of the house. Let's go check it out.
It's Friday, and we're playing hooky. Well, we're not really playing hooky, but we're here looking at a property. I know. What do you think? But this house looks so cute. It's at a good price point, and I have an idea.
I'm Sarah, and every day my life revolves around design, and I'm sharing it with you. Today is another chapter in my design life.
Actually, it looks quite good for all angles. The asphalt roof, from what I can see, because it's snow covered, is in good shape. And then the better part is, it's kind of a good day to look at how well insulated the roof is. It looks good because there's no melting. And today's the sort of day you'd see that pretty quick. Things seem to be in generally very good shape. I think what it really needs, this girl named Sarah, I think, if she could get in here, I think she could kind of wave her magic design wand and suddenly this would go to the next level.
Are you saying we should buy it?
Is this a good idea? Retro ranch rental. That is the plan. The question is, do they want to sell it to us? There are currently 3 different people participating in offer transactions. It's conditionally sold, somebody else has an offer, and we have an offer. So you know what we're not going to do? We're not going to get emotionally invested. We're just going to wait and see what happens. Stay tuned.
This was going to be one of those cliffhangers, but you kind of know the ending already.
Fortunately, I've bought another house.
Yep, they accepted our offer.
We're going to start a new project.
Retro Ranch Rental.
Does that sound fun? Yeah, just another little something to add to our plate. But as you can see, winter is here and it's absolutely gorgeous. So it's going to be a great week.